Larger meeting spaces can typically require Pro AV setups that can become expensive with complex installations that are hard to manage. At Neat, we decided to rethink how to simplify deployments for large meeting spaces. Introducing NeatBar Pro, an all-in-one system which includes the camera, microphones, speakers, and the compute to natively run your Zoom Rooms and Teams Rooms software. No additional PC or laptop is needed to start your meeting. NeatBar Pro is a purpose-built device that can deliver great video conferencing experiences in your larger meeting spaces. When paired with NeatPad, NeatPad operates as the meeting control device. The wide-angle lens is used to capture participants closest to the front of the room, while the telephoto lens does the same, but for participants that are further away. But they work together as one system to deliver exceptional video experiences in a larger meeting space. NeatBar Pro features an updated audio system which includes 16 individual microphones in 2 arrays to provide audio coverage of individuals in larger meeting spaces, as well as ample audio output from the built-in speakers for the participants in the meeting space. If you're looking to video enable your larger meeting spaces, NeatBar Pro makes it easier and more affordable than ever.